Hey, what's going on, wrestling fans? Chair Shot back with you on this Friday, starting off your weekend. News going around the WWE as there's major concern for Fandango. Even though he's passed, as you may or may not know, he suffered a concussion, and he has passed the initial test. But he's still suffering for some head trauma, and that's got him worried. He's going to be doing some more series of tests, see if they can pinpoint what's going on with that. As he has had a history before of head problems when he was in developmental. He took a few shots, and right now this doesn't look too good for Fandango. It's going to be a while before he's cleared medically. So don't expect him back in the ring anytime soon. I hate to see this because, man, he was just, it was a good push for him. The people were getting behind him. I actually think he was probably going to win the Intercontinental title before they put it on Axel. But that's my opinion. But, that's the word going around the backstage area right now on Fandango with the update. He has been, he passed the initial test, like I said, but there's still major concerns because he's just still not feeling right. He's suffering from some head trauma. Like I said, I hope the best for the dude. I hope he can get past this, get back in the ring, and find that spot that he had. What do you guys think about the Fandango situation? I'd like to hear your comments, your thoughts. As always, folks, if you haven't already, subscribe to me on YouTube. I love it. I love talking with you guys. I love talking about pro wrestling in general. If you leave me a comment, I'll be sure to respond to you one way or the other just as quick as I can. Always love to hear what you have to say. But until next time, this is Chair Shot.